Hello everyone, how to totes back with another video. So today I'm gonna share with you a app review. It's a really popular app around the world, but just I wanted to share with you the reviews about this app. That's why I created the video. So it's called a Tango live stream and video chat. So this app is available Google Play Store and App Store, so you can download it from them. And here is the ratings of 4.4, so it's amazing. So when you get any app and the app is more than 4 ratings, then we consider that the app is really good. And the 4 million reviews, it means 4 million people say something about this app. Maybe it can be positive or negative, we'll see later. And the size of the app, 64 MB, okay, and 100 million plus people already downloaded this app, so it's really amazing app. So watch 24 hour social live broadcast, make friends on live stream and go live. So it's basically for live streaming software application, so you can go live or you can see the other live broadcast. Many people here, they are available all the time, 24 hours. So let's take their screenshots. Discover live stream 24 and 7, so many people there, and you can send them messages or you can connect as a friend. And support, you can also support them, so it's like coin. So if you support them like with some emoji, then you have to get and celebrate also. Okay, so many things here. A chat, you can also chat here with your friend, and there is opportunity to earn in this website and meet with the people. You will get the like you'll get here like profile, their interest, how many followers they have, the fans they earn, how many they earn. So it's really amazing, and more thing, this it's 100 million people download, so it's really globally used platform. So we'll check about this app. I already told that Tango social live community app with over 400 million people worldwide. Oh, it means a lot. So we'll see when this app is released. We see that the app is released 2010, so it's almost 12 years ago. So it's old app. That's why many people here. And we'll see two recent review, one positive review and one negative review. So here is the positive review. Latest updates is terrible. No longer have rising star, new social artist, etc. only nearby following and for you. It automatically forces you to watch a creator. Yes, you can swipe right to get boxes to choose who to watch, but the creator still plays in the background. If in chat you still hear the then talking, should return to old format until you can sort out this issue. But I think this person Jonathan Malgut criticized about this app, about the new version, but I don't know why he gave 5-star rating. So we'll see another super platform for engaging and entertaining. But a recent update really okay. Please do go back to the previous version. So they wanted to go the older version, and we'll see the one a negative review here. So it's like you can see positive reviews every. The new design is terrible, so it's all about the new design. So the sometimes, so when the new design, new update come, then it's a little bit tricky or difficult to use, but when you use daily, then you used to be okay. Okay, friend, you can download this app, and I will make more videos how to use this app in upcoming tutorials. So today's no more, friend. Thank you for watching this video.